Hi everybody, welcome to Land the Cabin. We are actually working on a bar that's going in the kitchen. Brandy, my brother's here to help. And we're gonna kind of take little bits and pieces of it as we go. We'll put this together and show you what we're doing until we get to the end. Right now we're putting the, what do you call these? Corbels in. And then we're gonna cut them to height. We'll come back in with the bar. It's actually gonna wrap around the corner and hook to the logs. So stay with us and we'll keep you posted as we're going. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
We're putting this one here because it's got beautiful decoration. And the next part of this, and we'll come back to you, the next part of it, we will be setting the bar up here, pre-cutting it, we'll slide it into place, and then we'll show you that spot when we get to it. Got all the corbels put in place. This one, the center one, and the far one. We have placed the countertop, and now we're getting ready to countersink our screws, put our plugs in. We'll be sanding it back and setting our chinking spots to put the chinking in like we've done here throughout the whole thing. And we'll just keep moving forward. So now our screw is countersunk. We're going to get ready to put the plug in. We take a little bit of wood glue. You can see we just drip a little wood glue in there. We set our plug. Get it down in there where it's properly got to be, and you just walk away and wait for that to dry. So, we got the bar in. I think it looks fantastic. We came in and we've sanded down the top of it just so we can get a look at what this is going to look like. We've done a light sanding all along the live edge, knocked the knots down, left them there so that we get that character. You can see there's 2 good-sized knots, but we ran into a small problem. So if you look right here, I can't walk through here. So we've came up with a colorful way of making this happen. We're going to come in right here, we're going to cut along this line. We're going to cut a really thin sliver along this line. We're going to heat this up with hot water so the cellulose in this wood softens so that we can take this live edge, bend it around the corner, glue it, use some brad nails and brad nail it in place. Down to this end of the bar, you'll see that we have sanded a little bit of it here. We've actually taken this corbel and made it look like it came through the bar. So this is the end of the video for now. Thank you for watching it. I want to say a special thanks to my brother Brandy and my brother Tim for helping with this. And for all you guys out there, like, subscribe, and comment below. I would love to hear all of your ideas because, you know, we roll that way. We like to hear that kind of stuff. Until then, you guys have a great day and we'll see you on the next video.